Today we are building a covered trench from the riding arena down to the pound, and from the pound we have an overflow down to the creek, and then it drained away the water. To drain the riding arena from water, I have put down some pipes. Now I'm building a culvert from the arena down to the pond over here. So it's about 25 meters that I will dig. So I will start with putting on the trench bucket. We changed to winter time, so it's starting to get dark earlier now. So maybe I will not be able to film for so much that much longer. Okay, now it's properly dark. That went quick. So I'm trying to dig the last bit from the pond up to the ditch. So I have to turn around, balancing over the ditch with a digger. So it's a little bit tricky. I will try to complete this. It was cold this night. Bites on the grass. And we have the ditch dug in the dark. So let's put down the hose, drainage hose, and fill it back up if it's possible. I think this will be the last chance for that before it starts to freeze. How to split up this geotextile roll into smaller pieces. Testing with the angle grinder. So was cutting this with an angle grinder super smart or super dumb? It looks like it has melted. So wonder how I get this fixed. So I want to wrap this geo tile around the tube so that small debris don't get into the tube and blocks it. Yeah, it's a little bit not the smartest thing to cut it with a angle grinder. Oh, could you please speed this up? Yeah, as much as you have. 6 times, maybe, please. Oh, thank you. That was much better. Now we'll put it down into the drench and then put the hose on top of it and wrap it around the hose. Let's take a look at this hose. So it's for draining, and it has holes. The benefit of these holes is that you can get water in to the pipe along its length. course, the negative thing is that it also will get dirt inside, and that will clog up the hose and it will not function anymore. So that's why I put down the cloth to stop dirt from getting into the hose and still be able to get water. The main purpose of this is not to get to drain this land, is to drain the riding arena. Oh, that's nice. Okay, now just put it in. No, it's been attached. Now I just can roll it out. Now the cloth is wrapped around the hose. Time to backfill it. Let's start up the digger. Activating the main switch. Let's backfill this. Maybe I will speed this up, but see you at 100. And we should just cut it off. Can I step here? Oh, it's steep. Okay, I will cut it off here. That. Okay. Oh, up. And there we have it. Finished. Covered up. So that's it. See you next time. Bye.